We're looking after a friend's chickens, and they literally tell you when they want to eat. They've been fed this morning already, but they literally look through the front door windows at you. Hello. Yes, okay, shall I feed you from the front door so I don't have to go out? So, that one's a beautiful colour over there. You can see through the window. Okay, I'll feed you. Right, are you ready? You ready? You're all ready, look at you. Where's the chicks? Come on, chicks. Here we go. Meow. See if you can see the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty sure we had 6 chicks. There you go. The rural life of looking after someone's chickens in the Amazon rainforest. Look at this, and they're beautiful. That there is coffee, and we are drinking coffee from that coffee tree right there. And we're eating eggs from these lovely chickens. There you go, you happy now? Good, there you go. Come on, quick. You're a straggler. Oh, the chicks look really cute. They've doubled in size in a week.